This is a 1979 Triumph Bonneville. It's a project bike. I always say that because they haven't been on the road for a while, so they need recommissioning. It turns over fine, brakes work, gears select. It's quite a tidy bike. An easy project to put back on the road. It hasn't got a spark when kicking it over, but it will spark when I turn the kill switch on and off. So I don't really know the problem, so but I'm sure if that's fixed it'll be a running bike. It's got 16,000 miles on the clock. I've no idea if that's right or not. I don't see why not. It's got matching numbers. Nice little project.